little issues that I'm working on. So what I went and did was I was going to actually order this online, but because I go to discount stores like TJ Maxx, I was able to find this guy. This is a glycolic pill. Let me show you guys. I have been thinking about this for a while now, this glycolic pill. This pill costs like $21 on Amazon right now. And I had to read a little bit more about it as well. So I was waiting to see about getting it. But guys, I went to TJ Maxx and look, it is $6.99. Let me see if I can show you guys this. Here we go. It was $6.99, so $7. So I actually found 2 of these. So I was excited about that. So I got both of them because I'm gonna do it a couple times. And this is part of their youth restoring line. And guys, I have not been good at keeping up with my skincare routine, as you can see with my face, because I've been busy. So we're gonna go and work on using this. Now it says for this, let's see the directions. It says apply a thin layer onto clean skin. Avoid your eyes and lip area. Also exfoliate 1 minute. Allow to exfoliate for 1 minute or less. Rinse thoroughly with cold water to stop activity and remove products. Exfoliation time may be increased with tolerance. So this is what's in here. Got a paper little insert. So if we take this off and put this little tube on, it actually comes with a pump, which is really cool because I didn't want it to be out. So I'm glad it actually has a pump that comes with it. Let's see, little instruction manual. I'm actually reading these instructions. I'm trying to be good at reading instruction, guys. Pill, treatment, yeah, avoid. It tells you everything you need to avoid. Yeah, I didn't do any scrub or mask or HA, anything like that on my skin, any other acids. You can do a patch test. My skin's pretty good at not doing patch tests. I just do the minimum to begin with. Cleanse my face already. Pat my skin dry. Thin layer, avoid the eye area. Okay, so very simple pretty much, guys. Clean your face. I don't know if you see how dry my skin is. I just wash my face. Now what I'm going to use is my little box of tissues. This, I got it actually at Burlington, is these little thin layer of tissues. Makes life super easy. Because it's so, let's see. It's actually like a gel. Just cool. So you can hold this paper like this. I always do it. And then I'm going to put a thin layer. Try not to do it on the same spot twice. And guys, I am putting it on these little acne spots because they've like healed already. They're not open. So if you do have any open areas, I very much suggest that you avoid them. I can feel how much my skin is like really built up because even though I have this on, I don't feel anything. And it says to sit and wait for 30 seconds to a minute. So we're gonna count this down. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do a minute because I don't feel anything at all. I like this. This tells me it is working. This is so cool. Like, if you feel it tingling, definitely wash it off in 30 seconds. They said that it may be able to do it longer. The white cast is on here. I can't feel anything, like it's not burning or anything like that. But I do want to tell you guys, I do like HA. I have a glycolic toner I use. I know you guys seen it in my videos if you've seen a few of my skincare videos. So my skin is not new to this. Says after you do this treatment, use a mild toner, serum, and moisturizer. And you may see visible peeling. may occur after your treatment. Peeling may decrease with continued use. Improve the tone and texture and clarity of your skin. Yes, I need these hyperpigmentation gone. Yeah, make sure, guys, of course, you use sunscreen. It says to use a, highly recommend to use a sunscreen SPF 30 plus every day when using this product. You may repeat treatment 1 to 2 times a week based on your skin tolerance level. So I can do this twice a week. And judging by how my skin is reacting, yeah, I can definitely do this twice a week. But guys, if you still feel it burning, I definitely would do it once a week and see how that goes for you. Pre-treatment basically, guys, is clean your face. Don't use any kind of acid or scrubbing, exfoliating on it to not cause any kind of issue damage. I did my face, like I shaved my face 2 days ago actually, because I wanted to take off all the fuzz. That's why I waited. Once you have it rinse off, pretty easy. I didn't feel any type of tingling at all. So what I'm gonna do now is actually just pat my face dry. It does feel better though, like the texture of it feels just a little bit better. Even though my face didn't tingle, I didn't feel anything. My face feel a little bit smoother, especially these areas that you can see the white cast. So I really want to maybe add a little bit more to the new areas. Because this is the first time I'm actually trying this, I'm trying not to, you know, go crazy with it and make sure that I don't do anything to damage my skin. So we're going to see how that goes. So we're going to put a little bit of toner, serum, and moisturizer on this, guys. I'm going to add these few products. First thing you want to do is, as it says, put some toner on. I got this at Ross because I'm like a skincare product junkie now, guys. But this is Red Collagen Essential Toner. This is supposed to hydrate your skin so much. I'm so into Korean skincare. K-Beauty got me to actually start taking care of my skin, guys. So that's what I'm like all crazy over. But this toner is like water, but with a little bit of, I don't know, like a little serum feel. Like it's super watery, but put it on your face. Your face literally drink this guy up. Like if you have like this right now, this winter dry skin thing going on, this is what you need for your skin. Like I love this toner and it just feels so nice, and you just pat it in very smoothly, guys. Don't need to do anything extra. Don't need to do anything crazy. Just pat it in. I know, guys, you're staring at my one nail that doesn't have any polish on it. That's because I cracked the end of this. I had to redo it, so I haven't put any polish on. So yes, I have one weird odd nail on here. And this toner, after, guys, you can put some serum on. If you guys haven't tried the Ordinary, one of my favorite serum to use. I've used the Buffet, but now I only have the hyaluronic acid 2.2% plus B5. You guys can see that. But this brand, I actually love their product. They're everything. I went to the Ulta Beauty a few weeks ago and got this guy. And I'm not the best at, like I said, keep using my products. I do love shopping for skincare, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm trying to like be better at actually buying, not buying, using products. It gets tacky, like you have to let this guy sit in. Do around my eyes. I see my dark circles. I haven't slept well in like weeks. But once you put this in, I actually love how it feels. Tack is gone. This is my big thing. I'll wait till the tack is gone. And I'm gonna use moisturizer. Now, if you guys saw, I did a Shea Moisture haul like a while ago, a few videos ago actually. And I showed you guys all the products I'm using. So I was saving this for the winter season. So since it started being cold, I started using this guy and it is so good. This is this one, the Shea Moisture. This is the Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Moisturizer Frankincense and Myrrh. This one is great for the winter because all you do is put a little bit on. I love how thick this is. I'm not sure how well this would work in the summer because it actually is pretty thick for lotion. So I'm using it. I was saving it for the winter because I want to have something super moisturizing for my face. And then does it do the job? It's like everything you need for the cold season and a moisturizer. And I'm hoping it helps with these guys. Now I'm only putting these on because I'm going to be in the house all day, guys. I'm not going anywhere. So I don't need to put any sunscreen on. I am putting some lip oil on. If you guys seen on my Instagram, you follow me, you see I got this Neutrogena lip oil. I actually really love this. It's super easy. If I'm going out, I will put this guy on and I will put my lip balm on top of it, and it works great to keep my lips hydrated. So guys, actually, let's put on, almost forgot my last thing, some eye cream. So what we're gonna do is put on this cooling eggplant eye balm. I got this at Walmart. I haven't used it since I bought it. It was just a great sale. It was $2. I believe they're $9 regular price. But you know, I love discounts. So when I saw it was $2, I had to grab one. So let's see. Because I'm having such a hard time sleeping right now, guys, I feel like this would be great for my eyes. Because you see my dark circles, they're like crazy. It actually feels really cooling. You are not lying. If you put this on, oh, I like this. This would be great for summer. I mean, it feels good right now because my body, like, it's heating up all the time because the weather, crazy weather change in Florida. It's hot. It's freezing this morning. It's gonna be like super hot in the afternoon, so this is good. But this is great. It says rich with vitamin C and excellent antioxidant. Cooling Plan helps to refresh and nourish the under eye. Little skincare. I'm gonna be doing this glycolic pill. I'm gonna be repeating this twice a week. The little areas around my face actually feels really smooth and nice. I felt like the product went in a lot better. So let's see how that goes. But let's go make breakfast, guys. So guys, I wanted to show you this breakfast that I do. This is my quick breakfast. I wanted to mention, I forgot to show you guys that I actually add a little bit of milk not just water. Now, but what you can do is, sometimes I'll do this, is I'll actually eat up just the milk and use it for this. Now, let me put a little bit of cinnamon and honey. I'm trying to cut back on sugar a lot because I'm trying to run and lose a lot of body fat, weight. Sugar takes so much energy to burn and I crash on it. So you guys saw I didn't put any honey on my tea. So this is just a little bit of apple cider vinegar and water in the tea bag and a little bit of honey in here. I love this cup. It says Rise and Grind. I saw it actually at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was really cool. So every morning I get up, I make tea in here, and I drink it, and I'm all set to go. I always work every morning. As you can see, my table is like right behind my cosplay stuff. You can see this lovely skull. I love that thing. So yeah, that's why I have it. So I just got this at Whole Foods, guys. It actually tastes really good. I was super dehydrated and I needed something to drink, so I grabbed this. Really good. If you're feeling dehydrated, get this one.